Like many of us, our local Disney store closed, so we went and checked out the clearance. And I may have bought a bunch of these key things. Yeah, there was a bunch. So we went on to Thingiverse and found these little holders designed for a Micheals, I think it was a coin frame. I didn't like the coin frame, plus it was stupid expensive. So I just got these shadow boxes, buy one, get one 50% off, printed out these little things off Thingiverse, and instantly ran into a problem because this fancy metal key that my wife picked up is not the exact same dimensions as the plastic ones. So I had to actually do work this time instead of just finding some random thing on the internet. So I needed to model my own. Most of the files you get on Thingiverse aren't modifiable, so you need to do it yourself. So, key, the epic music montage. Why does it always take the longest to get the backing off a tape? It's just ridiculous. So here I just popped them all in. I actually broke one of them. I was able to fix that little issue in the one I modeled for the metal key, so none of them broke again. But little acrylic paint on the 3D printed parts, it worked fine. I actually found there was some warping when I tried to spray paint them, so that was another set I got to throw away. This had lots of problems during this build. It was supposed to just be a simple, easy, fun build on these keys I found, right? So these keys that cost me like $1 a piece, and I thought they just looked cool on the wall in the new office I built, ended up being like a 3-day build and multiple designs and a bunch of extra parts and ridiculously expensive shadow boxes from Micheals. It turned out well, but uh, did I tell you how expensive these things are? And that's not wood. That's some sort of like foam black fiberboard crap. Yeah, I know I was prying on it a little bit, but come on. I mean, with as expensive as these things are, you would think they would hold up a little bit better. I didn't want to go back to town and get another one and return it, so I just ended up fixing it. You'll see me use some super glue and some tape, but stupid. Everything that could go wrong did go wrong on this one. They turned out great. I've actually added some more keys. I actually happened to find another one on May the 4th be with you, a red one, Darth Vader, so the pictures you see here are even a little out of date. It was a cool idea. I do know now why they used the coin one, because the coin one had a door and makes it easier to put them together. But there they are. They're flanking the soon-to-be trapdoor on my office. I recently built this office. Like many of us, I've been working from home a lot. Finally got to put up some of my comic books, my He-Man toys. So if you're interested in seeing an office build, I have a video coming out maybe soon, maybe not. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, Micheals. Your frames suck. Bye.